So yesterday we discussed about the top brand and the top three by stock brand, where we find the rank of our brand. We rank our brand from the descending to ascending, and then we use the column rank to filter the top three using this measure. So today we shall start with we shall now see the bottom 5 brands by stock rate. So we will first of all going to rank the brands from ascending from the smallest to the largest, and then we're going to filter the top brands among those among the rank. So first of all, let us rank our, so you click measure and then you come to, so we rank our brand from the smallest to the largest, and then we filter the top 5 smallest brands. So we're going to write, let's say, bottom rank from smallest to largest, from bottom. So we are ranking brand from bottom. So we are ranking our brand from bottom. So we're going to write the rank X, and then we are ranking all brands from, so we are ranking all brands, so that is product team brand into bracket. So we are ranking based on stock rate, out stock rate from ascending, yeah. And then you click enter. So after we've ranked our brands from the least to the largest, we're now going to write another measure so that we can filter the top 5 top 5 brands with the least stock rate. So we're going to write another measure. So this one we're going to say bottom let's say 3 brands So if the rank that we've created to our if our rank from bottom is equal so we are finding top 5 bottom 5 is less or equal to 5, then return equal to 5, then return stock rate, out stock rate, and if it's not, return blank, then you close the bracket, and then you so now we can do the shortcut for duplicating this, and then we can bring it here, and then now we choose the so we are looking top bottom 5 brands, so we're going to click on the brands, and then we click on bottom 5, the measure that we've created, so bottom 5. So this one will give us bottom 5, and then you can change the title from top 3 to bottom 5, bottom 5, and then you complete this one, and then we're going to draw another one for the supplier. So now we are looking for the supplier bottom let's say bottom 5 supplier. So we're going to repeat the same formula, where